The world doesn't measure true luxury in horsepower alone. It measures it in silence, craftsmanship, and presence. Today, we step into the realm of ultimate automotive excellence. This is not just a car. This is a moving masterpiece. Welcome to the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, a symbol of timeless elegance, unmatched comfort, and absolute authority on the road. In this video, we'll explore the exterior design, the interior luxury, and the sound experience that makes the Phantom unlike anything else on four wheels. So sit back, relax, and let the Phantom speak. Quietly, exterior design, presence that commands respect. At first glance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom doesn't scream for attention. It demands it. The iconic Pantheon grille stands tall and proud, now refined with even more precision and depth. Subtle illumination gives it a regal glow at night, ensuring the Phantom is recognized instantly, even from a distance. Resting above the grille is the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy, crafted with extreme detail, symbolizing elegance, power, and motion. It's not just an emblem, it's a statement. The body lines of the Phantom are long, clean, and purposeful. Every curve is intentional, designed to reflect light in the most graceful way possible. The 2026 model continues Rolls-Royce's philosophy of waftability, making the car appear as if it's floating rather than driving. The doors are rear-hinged, known as coach doors, opening effortlessly to welcome passengers into a private sanctuary. They close with a soft, power motion, no force, no noise, just perfection. Massive alloy wheels, perfectly proportioned, enhance the Phantom's commanding stance. Even when parked, it feels alive, confident, and dominant. This is not a car designed to follow trends. It creates them. Interior, a private luxury lounge. Step inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, and the outside world instantly disappears. The cabin is handcrafted to perfection. Every surface you touch is covered in the finest materials. Hand-stitched leather, open pore with veneers, and polished metal accents finished by skilled artisans. The seats feel more like luxury armchairs than car seats. Soft, supportive, and endlessly adjustable, they're designed to make long journeys feel effortless. Heating, cooling, and massage functions come as standard, delivering comfort at the highest level. The dashboard is a work of art. The signature gallery, placed behind a seamless glass panel, allows owners to customize the interior with artwork, sculptures, or bespoke designs. No two Phantoms are ever the same. Look up and you'll see the iconic Starlight headliner. Thousands of fiber optic lights individually placed by hand, recreating a peaceful night sky inside the cabin. It's not just beautiful, it's emotional. Rear passengers enjoy the ultimate VIP treatment. With extended legroom, reclining seats, and luxury footrests, the Phantom transforms into a first-class private jet on wheels. Rear entertainment screens, champagne coolers, and fold-out tables complete the experience. This isn't transportation. This is personal luxury at its finest. Technology, invisible yet powerful. Rolls-Royce believes technology should never distract. It should disappear. The 2026 Phantom is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, night vision, and surround view cameras. Yet everything operates smoothly in the background, ensuring safety without intrusion. The infotainment system is intuitive and refined, controlled via a rotary controller or subtle voice commands. Navigation, media, and vehicle settings respond instantly, maintaining the Phantom's sense of calm. Connectivity is seamless, allowing passengers to stay informed, entertained, and connected without overwhelming the senses. In a Phantom, technology serves luxury, not the other way around. Engine and sound, the art of silence. Under the hood lies a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing effortless power and torque. But the most impressive part? You barely hear it. Rolls-Royce engineers spent years perfecting sound insulation, using over 130 kilograms of acoustic materials. The result is what many call the quietest production car in the world. At idle, the engine is nearly silent. At cruising speed, road noise simply vanishes. The Phantom glides over imperfections thanks to its advanced air suspension and road-reading camera system, adjusting in real time to deliver an unbelievably smooth ride. Acceleration is smooth, calm, and dignified. There's no drama, just instant, refined movement. like being gently pushed forward by an invisible force. In the Phantom, silence isn't empty. It's luxurious. Driving experience, effortless authority. Driving the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom feels like commanding a luxury yacht on land. The steering is light yet precise, making this large sedan surprisingly easy to maneuver. Despite its size, the Phantom feels confident, stable, and composed at all speeds. Whether chauffeured or driving yourself, the experience is equally rewarding. The car adapts to your role, driver or passenger, without compromise. Every journey becomes an occasion. Final thoughts. The pinnacle of automotive luxury. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is not about speed. It's not about competition. It's about perfection. From its commanding exterior, to its handcrafted interior, to its legendary silence, the Phantom exists in a class of its own. This is the ultimate expression of success, refinement, and timeless elegance. If you enjoyed this deep look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments, because some cars are driven and some are experienced.